Today, we're going to show you how to fold the boomerang plane. It loops, spins, and comes right back to you, just like a real boomerang. And yes, it's super fun to fly indoors and out. What you'll need: one A4 sheet of paper, a flat surface to fold on, and if you like, crayons, markers, or stickers to make your boomerang plane truly yours. Let's get folding. Want more folding fun? Grab our printable paper plane pack with guides, tips, and colouring fun. Click the link in the description to get yours. Thanks for watching. Tap the like button if you had fun and subscribe so you never miss a new video.